How to fix ene.sys driver error in Windows. 1. Uninstall the most recent update. 2. Uninstall the affected utilities, if applicable. 3. Search then rename the ene.sys file. 4. Disable memory integrity in Windows Security app. 5. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe ID device diagnostic. 6. Updating the ene.sys driver file by running MSI Gaming Center. Like this. FYI, the ene.sys file. Part of a system called MSI Mystic Light. And you may also try reinstalling / repairing / updating Tridency lighting control by G.Skill, Asus Aura, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and NZXT Cam. Signal RGB.